We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hey Glam fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet become an official Glam star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. So if you see my thumb, it's looking real sad right now, and that's because your girl was outside messing with her animals, okay? And I accidentally ripped off my thumbnail, and that was the first time that I ever experienced heartbreak. But that's neither here nor there. In today's video, I am here to do a Q&A, answering a lot of questions that you all have left under my videos. And if I do not answer your question in this video, just leave it down below and I will do it in another video. I have so many new Glam stars subscribing to my channel each and every single day, and I obviously want everyone who is on my platform to know about me. This is my Glam life, so I share pretty much everything on this channel that pertains to me, that pertains to my life, and your girl is all about speaking the facts. So I have my phone right here, and on my phone I have all of y'all's questions down. So the first question was, how do you deal with negativity? And really, I promise you all that when you come on YouTube, you definitely develop a thicker skin. I have always been a very strong-willed, strong-minded person, so what other people have to say about me really does not affect me, nor does it affect my day or how I sleep at night or my mindset at all, point blank period, because I am what I am. Nothing affects my mood. The only person that can really affect my mood is me, okay? So negativity, people write negative stuff about me all the time, and I leave it there because at the end of the day, when you're a YouTuber, negativity, it's all good publicity. You know when they say when you're a celebrity, all publicity is good publicity? So it doesn't affect me. When you're in the public eye, you definitely have to have thick skin. And considering that my mom is a blues singer, I've been in the public eye for majority of my life. So none of this chit chat on the internet or in real life affects my everyday life. All it's about is getting to the bag, okay? Getting to the bread, and doing what I need to do, building my brand, building my business, and making my money, which is ultimately what happens from people spreading negativity. How do you describe your personality? Well, if you know me, you know that I'm very real. That has always been my personality. I'm straightforward. As a lot of people like to say, they're straight shooters, okay? And that is definitely me. That's my personality. So I'm 100% real and raw. That's how I describe me. I do have a great sense of humor, and I kiki and cackle with the people that I love. And this is just me. Like, I'm very talkative, very calm. I'm just this girl. I'm really all about bettering myself, and that's just my personality. You know, I don't really bother with anybody else. I don't really bother with anybody else's business. All I focus on is what has to do with me, okay? And if it don't got to do with me, I won't pay it any mind. So that's how my personality is set up, okay? The next question is, what is your sign? I was born on January 21st, 2002, which makes me 18. I will be 19 next month. So I was born right on the Capricorn/Aquarius cusp. So I am a little bit of both. My personality is a little bit of both of those, okay? So if you're a person that goes off of zodiac signs or tries to figure somebody out through zodiac signs, but yeah, I am a Capricorn/Aquarius. That is my sign, okay? And your girl's birthday is coming up next month, okay? The big 19, all right? How do you feel about getting braces? For me, I'm a tad bit nervous, and the reason why I am is because I love food. If you know me, you know that I love food, and there's a lot of stuff that I won't be able to eat because of the braces. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm definitely looking forward to how the journey is going to be, and to getting my teeth super duper nice. I think they're fine now because I've been having me a good old funky time eating all types of stuff, okay? And I ain't never had an issue. But I'm definitely looking forward to like the progression. How did you grow your YouTube channel so fast? For those of y'all that do not know, I've only been on YouTube for about 6 months now. now, and I've grown my channel to over 2,800 glam stars. I almost messed it up, y'all. And I'm growing more and more each and every single day. You know, this platform is becoming such a big outlet and such a big place. Through my platform, through just posting content regularly. You know, a lot of people want to have a big YouTube channel, but they really don't want to put in that work, and the amount of work that you put in definitely reflects in terms of views and things like that. Now, don't get me wrong, there are people that post every day and really don't get any views, and everything is not for everybody, and everybody can't be in the same career field. So that's also another thing that you want to keep in mind. You know, a lot of people come to me and say, Maddie, my channel still isn't growing and I post consistently. You have to realize everything is not for everybody. I feel like anybody can accomplish their goals, but the same path that you see everyone else on just can't be the one for you all the time. So you definitely have to figure out what God actually has for you. You know, pray, write down what you really want to do, and God will lead and guide you in the right direction, I promise. YouTube is just one of those things where I feel like there really is no tricks to becoming a successful YouTuber. It's just really all about if that's what's actually for you. You know what I'm saying? How do you deal with people putting out false rumors about you and your family? This happens pretty much anyways when you're in the limelight, and it's something that really does not bother. The most annoying thing about it all is people spreading information that they don't know anything about. But for the most part, like I said, all publicity is pretty much good publicity. I just really wonder, how do you have the time to do that? That's what I really wonder, because obviously I can get on here and talk and do a Q&A, but this is my career, this is my job, whereas a lot of people have day jobs to go to, but yet they have time to get on those computers or chit chat and call up their bestie and talk all types of mess. And I'm like, how do y'all got time to do all this mess? You know, you get a blessing from it. Every time that somebody has said something negative about my family, there was a blessing. Somebody called with a blessing, okay? Somebody called with something to set us up for the rest of our lives. So you have to think the good always outweighs the negativity. You know, that's why a lot of negative people don't even get responses, because the good outweighs the negativity. How would you describe your childhood? My childhood was great, okay? I feel as though I had so much fun as a child, and sometimes I actually miss being a child, because it's like, you know, when you're a child you want to be an adult. When you become an adult you want to be a child. A child is just so free, you know, and as an adult I think that a lot of people wish that they could have that same exact mindset of just being so free. I am, of course, 100% grateful for my parents because they blessed me to be able to have the platform that I always wanted to have. To my parents working tirelessly, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm their baby girl, so I'm technically the last one left over here to carry on this torch. And I definitely won't be disappointing my mama, point blank period, or my daddy. As my parents like to call me, the golden child. That I definitely am. Whether it be childhood, whether it be adulthood, your girl ain't gotta worry about not a darn thing ever a day in my life. So I'm very grateful, very thankful, and your girl is just always happy all the time. Like, you'll never catch me not smiling, not happy. I'm just happy, y'all. How's life treating you? As I just mentioned, everything in my life is going fantastic and just living my best life out here, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much it for this Q&A. Like I said, if you have any more questions, leave them down below, and your girl will definitely be getting to them in a future video, hopefully soon. I started to do a chit chat, get ready with me, but then I was like, no, let me just sit down and talk to my glam stars. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this video, and before I leave this video, I'm not gonna leave you all hanging. Let me share with you all my glam star of the day. I want to thank you so much for your sweet comment. I am so grateful to have such amazing people who support me and who love the content that I put out. So I am always grateful and thankful to you, and this is just my way of showing my love back. And I couldn't leave this video without saying thank you all so much for 3,000 glam stars. If you've watched the video to this point, comment down below, growing and glowing. And that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.